If you thought owning a construction business was just about project management and hiring employees, then you're mistaken. Unfortunately, we find that most construction business owners consider marketing a low priority and sometimes neglecting it altogether. So let's take a closer look at how marketing works for the million-dollar construction business owners. What is marketing? Marketing is everything you do to attract customers and motivate them to buy your products or services. And there's many different ways to market your construction business, known as your marketing mix. This marketing mix is based on product, price, place, and promotion, known as the 4 Ps. And these 4 Ps are the essence of marketing. Product. Determining what products and services you should offer to whom and why. Price. Figuring out the price level that will attract customers and still provide you with a profit. Place. This is related to the distribution of your product or service. For example, you could sell exclusively online or have a brick-and-mortar store, or both. It's also about product placement within a store or in digital media, like when you see your favorite actor drinking a particular brand of soda in a movie. Here you decide what you'll need to do in order to promote your products or services. This might include local TV ads, social media promotion, posting informational YouTube videos, direct mail campaigns, just to name a few examples. The basics of marketing. Marketing your construction business begins with your branding. Your company brand is more than your logo and website color scheme. It's what you stand for, your company's values, the commitment to your customers, as well as your reputation. Your brand is what differentiates you from the competition. It informs a prospective customer as to why they should contract with you and your construction business. And remember, it can take years to build a brand, and that's why we're going to warn you to watch out for procrastination. Life is not a dress rehearsal. The best time to start building your brand is now. The power of branding. Ever heard of the Golden Arches? Well, we're talking about McDonald's. Who hasn't heard of McDonald's? I mean, really, have you ever met someone who didn't know about McDonald's? Consider how significant those yellow arches placed over that red square are. And I can assure you that for the rest of your life, you won't forget about the brand of McDonald's. That is the power of branding. Target audience. Let's say your construction business focuses on kitchen remodels. Who are your customers? Rather, what type of customer do you want to attract? Some remodeling contractors want to focus on high-end customers. Others want to provide budget-friendly kitchen remodels to working-class people. In the beginning, you may not even be sure you just want to remodel anyone's kitchen. But whatever the case, maybe you'll be inevitably needing to target a particular audience, so we recommend you keep this idea at the forefront of your mind until the timing feels right. Market research. Market research takes many forms. You can hold focus groups, send out questionnaires, or comb through publicly available data for answers. These days, there's more than enough information online pertaining to construction markets, so there's no excuse on this one. Take the time and learn about your market. We can assure you this information will eventually pay off, literally. Types of marketing. There are so many ways you can market your construction business, including direct mail marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and digital marketing, just to name a few. So how will you know which is the best form of marketing for you and your business? The answer to that question is actually simpler than you think. Try everything and see what works. And when you find what works, keep doing more of that. In our humble opinion, doing a little bit of every type of marketing is a good place to start, but this won't cut it if you want to build a million-dollar construction business. You'll have to find out what type of marketing is bringing you business and then pursue it with intensity. With that being said, let's take a look at the specific types of marketing. Website. There's nothing worse than when a prospective client hears about a contractor and plans to work with them, until they visit the contractor's website and see that it looks like it hasn't been updated since about 1993. Like we mentioned earlier, technology has made things so much easier these days, there's no excuse for this one. With sites like Upwork.com, you can find affordable freelancers to build you a solid website in just a couple of weeks. And once it's live, you can even hire additional freelancers to write content for it, like press releases and project case studies. Testimonials. Testimonials will probably be the least expensive, most powerful method to promote your construction business. But how do you get testimonials? Well, it's simple. Whenever you finish a job, just remember to ask. If it sounds so easy, then why are so few contractors taking the time to get them? Well, probably because they're lazy. So don't be lazy. Get as many darn testimonials as you possibly can.
Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit HeavyApe.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.